The first water birds I've seen in this water. A good sign since when all this flooded not so long ago. I haven't seen any water birds since. It's the daily sunset time. Those are the butcher birds singing in the distance. A beautiful song. That's a crow. I think that's a universal sound. What birds have we got here? Are they pelicans? They look like pelicans. My favouriteest birds in the world. Yeah, baby. Man, I love pelicans. See how they fish in a big group? They actually round up the fish. Wow, pelicans. I can't believe it. How lucky is this? That means it must be teeming with fish because they're catching plenty. When they lift their beak up and swallow, that means they caught them. Nice. God, there must be at least 18 of them or something. And a weird looking spotty horse. Look, there's Moo. What? What happened? Ah, they've just gone behind the bank. There they are. We found the spotty cow. Man, oh, that's such a good sight to see. It means the land is getting healthy again. The pelicans are going to eat the fish. That means they're good enough for me to eat. Go on fishing on the weekend.